वेलकम टू डे 5 ऑफ सेल्फ मास्टरी सीरीज़। मैं जितनी एक्साइटेड हूँ, आई होप आप इतने एक्साइटेड हो, क्योंकि अंदर डाइव करने के लिए ये बहुत ही सुनहरा मौका है। वी स्टार्ट विद द पहलू इन द बिगिनिंग। 1 3-letter वर्ड दैट एवरीवन नेवर सेज, शुड आई गो फॉर दिस job or not? What is that 3-letter word that doesn't come? I don't think we say yes as often as we say no. As you're on this journey, the fact that you're on the first day or on the 5th day, the fact that you said yes, this one time that you've said yes, I think it's amazing. I think you've got to give a huge round of applause that you said yes to this experience. Many times that no will come. Day 1 yes will come. Day 5 yes will come. But आगे जाके you'll get a lot of opportunities जहाँ पे आपका no निकलेगा। अरे मेरे दोस्त मुझे बाहर बुला रहे हैं, maybe not go for self mastery, अरे YouTube में देख लेंगे। You know, that's a no. आपने इसको no बोला है। मे बी मेडिटेशन के लिए मेरे पास अभी टाइम नहीं है, मतलब मेरे पास इतने सारे चीज़ें करने के लिए, मतलब मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है मेडिटेशन करने के लिए। अगेन दैट्स अ नो, राइट? और हम लोगों ने अभी मेडिटेशन में आए, इसका मतलब हमने कितने नोज बोले होंगे तब तक हम इस येस पॉइंट पे आए हैं। इतने थॉट्स आते हैं बीच में कि अरे यार, अरे मेरी कमर में दर्द हो रहा है, अरे मैं ये कर सकती हूँ कि नहीं, अरे यू नो आई एम हैविंग अ स्प्लिटिंग हेडेक, मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए, अरे मेरी मम्मा बार बार मुझे बीच में टांग अड़ाती है, मेरे घर में एनवायरनमेंट नहीं है मेडिटेशन करने की, बहुत नॉइजेस होते हैं, यू नो। आई एम श्योर सब लोग हंस रहे हैं यहाँ पे। किसी ना किसी के साथ ये तो डेफिनेटली है कि सम और द अदर वी फाइंड एन एक्सक्यूज टू रन अवे फ्रॉम मेडिटेशन। बट आई थिंक नाउ इज दैट वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू से येस, एंड से येस इवन ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशन। There will be times that you feel, I don't know, it's really difficult for me to do it. I'm not in a great place in my life, or I'm too happy, you know, meditation not for me, like Abhishek had said that time that I don't think I need to do meditation. So हमने उसने भी बहुत opportunities के लिए no बोला है. So what yes does is gives you an opportunity for a new experience. And when you open yourself for this new experience, the thing that youth have is you're open to experiment. Yeah? हर चीज़ के लिए हम yes बोलते हैं। अरे ट्राई करते हैं, नया म्यूज़िक फेस्टिवल है, चल चलते हैं, लाइक देखते हैं क्या होता है उसमें। अरे कुछ नया कोका कोला का नया वेरिएंट आया, चलो इसको ट्राई करते हैं। यू नो, हम हर एक चीज़ के लिए yes बोलते हैं, बट हम अपने आप के लिए टाइम निकालने के लिए आई डोंट थिंक हम उतना टाइम निकाल पाते हैं, बिकॉज वी हैव 24 hours in a day. 24 hours. How much time do we spend to sleep? 8 hours, 10 hours to sleep. And how much else time do we have? बाकी टाइम क्या कर रहे हैं? I know so many people in Andhra Pradesh जो 5 साल की उम्र से वो लोग at least 2 to 3 hours meditation करते हैं. I'm not even kidding. I can give you the numbers, आप उनसे बात कर सकते हो। लोग उतना मेडिटेशन करते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास उतना टाइम है, हम बस where do we choose to put that time? We can watch a 3-hour movie, but we don't have 1 hour or half an hour for ourselves, right? This is just a thought. I ask myself the same question. Every moment is the thing is like, what do I choose right now? And everyone has a choice. What do I choose for myself? So I'm tying everything back to meditation, because in this self-mastery, every day there will be a no that will come for you. But in your mind, whenever there is a no that comes in, just choose to say yes. You will see a difference. That has been my experience. I said yes to 40-day challenge. The fact that it's become part of my day-to-day life. I chose to spread meditation to more and more people, hence Sensei India. I said yes to it. देखते क्या होता है यार, मेरी बात कौन सुनेगा, फर्क क्या पड़ता है? the fact that I've experienced meditation, I just want to tell my ABC that I know to other people. That's all. मैं तीर कमान करने नहीं आई हूँ. I just want to give my truth to others. Hence this happened. Like that, more people are going to come and share. I said yes to music. I used to feel कि लोग मुझे इतना जज करेंगे मेरे म्यूजिक करने से. I was like, okay, maybe, you know, I sing music fine, but, you know, I don't know, maybe I'm not good enough. So hence I've taught myself to do a lot of things. Maybe मेरे लिए है नहीं, मैं सर्च कर रही हूँ मेरे लिए क्या है. तो मैंने म्यूजिक के लिए अपना टाइम ही नहीं दिया, बिकॉज आई फेल्ट लाइक आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. लाइक दैट फॉर डांस, आई एम अ कंटेम्परेरी डांसर. जब भी मैं डांस करती थी तो मुझे लगता था कि यू नो देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल, आई हैव सच अ कंपेटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट अराउंड मी कि लोग इतने कंपेटिटिव है. मतलब कंटेम्प्रेरी में डांस में ऐसे होता है कि जितना तुम हायर किक करो, जितना तुम हायर स्प्लिट में बैठो, वो उतना ग्रेट है उसमें. लगता था मे बी आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. बट यू नो व्हाट मेडिटेशन डिड? क्योंकि मैंने मेडिटेशन को येस किया ना, मेरे हर एक जिंदगी के जो भी पहलू है वो येस होता गया. व्हेन आई चोज मेडिटेशन फॉर 20 मिनट्स, मेरा जो बाकी 24 आवर्स का जो टाइम है, 23 आवर्स एंड 40 मिनट्स, वो येस बना. दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से. बिकॉज वॉट यू डू नाउ, लाइक यू ड्रिंक कॉफ़ी, उस कॉफ़ी का इफेक्ट आपको नेक्स्ट मोमेंट्स तक दिखाई देता है ना. यू हैड बैड फूड, गंदा खाना खाते हो और पेट खराब होता है, तो पूरे दिन तक वो इफेक्ट होता है ना. इट्स सिमिलर फॉर मेडिटेशन. जब आप अच्छा मेडिटेशन कर रहे होते हो, अपने लिए टाइम निकालते हो, वो इफेक्ट आपकी बाकी की ज़िंदगी में दिखाई देगा. सो हेंस यू हैव बेटर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, यू हैव बेटर फोकस, यू आर एबल टू मल्टीटास्क और रैदर डू वन एक्टिविटी 100%. ओके, सो जिनको ऑलरेडी मेडिटेशन पता है, प्लीज़ टेक योर स्पेक्स ऑफ एंड सिट इन द कंफर्टेबल पॉस्चर. आपको अपने ऐसा क्लैस्प करना है अपने हाथों को और गोदी पे रख लीजिए. पैरों को क्रॉस कर लीजिए जहाँ पे भी बैठे हो आप, और आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. और अपनी अंदर आती हुई सांस और बाहर जाती हुई सांस, अपनी नेचुरल ब्रेथ को यस बोलिए. I thought I'd just cover the science of meditation very quickly with you. Why do you sit in this position of the so-called lotus position is because it's like a closed circuit, right? आप अपने हाथ खोल के भी कर सकते हो. In the previous meditation that I used to do, it was just chanting, which is you open your hands and do it. But everything that I've done has been an experiment. I'm like, मैं हाथ ऐसे करके मेडिटेट करूँ तो कैसा होता है, और मैं ऐसे करती हूँ तो कैसा होता है. आई वुड सी हाउ आई वुड फील डिफरेंटली एनर्जी वाइज. सब लोग बोलते हैं आंखें बंद करके करो. मैंने क्यों नहीं, मैं आंखें खोल के करूँगी मेडिटेशन. मैं आंखें खोल के मेडिटेशन किया, and then I realized, okay, I'm losing a lot of my energy from my eyes. I have to keep it closed. That's why I keep saying in between that don't open your eyes in between. Because when you open your eyes, your 80% of your energy, जो 80% आपकी ऊर्जा है, वो आपके अंदर रहती है. Like I shared that, how the blind are very, very intelligent, very, very sensitive. Why is that? Because the eyes are shut, are not in action. So what happens is 80% of your energy आप अपने अंदर रखते हो. Because the more energy you have, like in the morning कितना energy होता है, right? So you feel you can do everything else in the world, like life को achieve कर सकते हो. And then in the evening you're just like, देख लेंगे यार, सुबह देख लेंगे क्या होगा, चलेगा. Right? What happens in the morning? When the more energy you have, the more you're able to do a lot of things. So hence, you should keep your eyes closed, and 80% of your energy you're able to save it by shutting your eyes. Now you clasp your hands, like I shared that each fingertip, इसलिए हम खाना हाथ से खाते हैं, बहुत स्पून से कम हाथ से ज़्यादा खाते हैं, because all of our fingertips also have energy. So hence both of our fingers have energy, or fingertips have energy, so hence we clasp our hands. We cross our feet, similarly the same tips, we shut the doorways. So we receive energy from here, which is also called the Brahmarandra, or just simply put, it's the opening for more energy. You believe it or not, but that's the truth, and you will slowly in meditation truly realize that. And we receive energy, and hence we encapsulate it. Hence, and breath is our source. अभी आपका breath 2 मिनट रोक के रखो, you have no life left. The breath is the life. So hence we are always with our breath. जो constant रहता है ना उसके साथ रहना होता है, तो constant हमारा breath है, हम उसके साथ हैं, right? Simply put, that's the science of meditation. And every time we come with the breath, every time, that's a science. When जब भी हम breath के साथ रहते हैं हमारा mind empty रहता है. You want to do a quick 5-second experiment. You can put your index finger, आपका अंगूठे को अपने नाक के नीचे रखिए and close your eyes. Just feel your breath naturally going in and out. Okay. Yeah? You naturally know that your breath brings your mind under control. You had no thought. 100% किसी के अंदर thought नहीं होगा. That is the power of the breath. So hence we come back to the breath every time. Right? So the first thing is, when you're with your breath, your mind becomes thought free. And when you are thought free, a huge amount of energy हमारे अंदर प्रवेश करती है. It enters our body. So when you're sleeping, before you sleep, you're feeling really tired. Right? What happens in the morning कि आप इतना energetic feel करते हो? कुछ magic होता है क्या? बस बॉडी रिलैक्स होने से नींद आ जाता है क्या? मतलब इतना एनर्जी आ जाता है क्या? समथिंग हैपन्स ड्यूरिंग द स्लीप टाइम दैट यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ. हमारा बॉडी बहुत इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम है, एक स्लीप जैसी चीज़ क्रिएट किया, वरना मैन कुछ अलग ही होता, कुछ अलग ही पैदा होता, कभी सोता ही नहीं, कुछ अलग ही क्रिएट कर रहा होता. बिकॉज वी हैव रेस्ट फॉर आवर माइंड, आवर बॉडी, हेंस इन द मॉर्निंग अगेन वी फील एनर्जेटिक. जो हम रात को फील करते हैं ना, वो अनकॉन्शियस मेडिटेशन है. बट वो ट्रूली मेडिटेशन तब होता है जब हम ब्रेथ के साथ 100% रहते हैं. कभी कभी ऐसे भी होता है ना, व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, यार ये नींद अच्छी नहीं आई यार मुझे, या व्हाट हैपन्स, आपका माइंड रिलैक्स नहीं था. सो व्हेन यू विथ योर ब्रेथ, योर माइंड बिकम्स सुपर रिलैक्स्ड. दैट्स ऑल. देयर इज नो ज्ञान इन दिस इज प्योरली साइंस. यू डोंट हैव टू, दिस इज द अंडरलाइन साइंस. कहीं भी चले जाओ आप. Yeah, and when you're with your breath, a huge amount of energy comes within, and hence you feel so happy and relaxed. When you're happy, you're just like, अरे क्या यार, अरे ये assignment हो जाएगा यार, देख लेंगे, अरे ये हो जाएगा यार, parents हो जाएगा यार, सब लोग समझ जाएंगे मेरी बात को, ये दुनिया is amazing place to be in. सब ऐसे होने लगता है when you're high on energy, and hence all of us are high on energy. And like every time we invite another crazy individual who is also part of Sensei, like all of us are part of Sensei. In the end, Sensei is just people who meditate. That's all. Nothing else different. And we are part of a larger organization called Pyramid Spiritual Societies Movement, which is again a crazy organization of people who love meditation because we are happy people. So introducing another happy person because we are all living in a happy place. उसका नाम है Upali Upasana Giri. She is a youngster who started meditating very soon, and very soon she has meditation के साथ her smile is infectious. So inviting Upali on the floor.
Hi everybody. I'm Upali Upasana and I live in Delhi. I am originally from Odisha. And I have been meditating for the past, I won't say for how many years. I started meditation in 2011. Now, when I started in 2011, meditation was a big no for me. Imagine everybody in our family meditating and us saying no. And then I eventually learned why it should be a yes and why it should be not a no. I learned how to say yes. Today's session, I learned how to say yes. Over a period of 9 years, I learned how to say yes. So my journey is more of academic based journey, and meditation has every time proven that, you know, if you are meditating regularly, तुम्हारा academic बहुत मस्त जाने वाला है. So I did experiment with it. I was in class 7th when my mom said, आओ ध्यान करो, हम सब ध्यान करेंगे बैठ के रात को. सो ऐसे मम्मी के प्रेशर में आके, या मम्मी बोल रही है, चलो मम्मी बोल रही है कर लेते हैं ध्यान. एंड इट वाज लाइक दैट एंड आई स्टार्टेड मेडिटेटिंग. किसी दिन ऐसे करती थी, किसी दिन ऐसे बैठती थी, ऐसे इरेगुलर. किसी दिन अगर मम्मी भूल गई बोलना, ओके आज मम्मी अपना अलग रूम में सो रही है, हम अपना अलग रूम में सो रहे हैं, ओके ओके आई डोंट हैव टू मेडिटेट टुडे. इट वाज लाइक दैट फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 years. And then what happened in class 9th is a very crazy story actually. So in class 9th, everybody around me were getting marks, literally everybody. And at that time I was like, okay, good student, okay, हर चीज के लिए हाँ बोलती है, लेकिन पढ़ाई के लिए ना बोलती है. Why? Because concentration level 0. Books खोलो for 30 minutes or so, and then गया अंदर सर के, नहीं गया अंदर सर के, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. 30 minutes हो गया, बुक बंद करके रख दो. But for everything else, no, for watching TV, yes. For having fun, yes. For going without friends, yes. But for padhai, no. But when everybody around me started getting marks, that academic mark, oh, मेरे को ना 100% मिल गया, मेरे को 95% मिल गया. Then that triggered me actually, that why is it so that I'm not saying yes to it? So then I said, okay, कुछ करना पड़ेगा इसका. And hence I said, okay, for 9th class I need marks around 95%. Okay, I was getting 70%. अभी 95% कैसे आएगा? I have to make friendship with studies. I have to make friendship with concentration. I have to be friends with focus. I have to be friends with everything that is related to my academics. And hence I said yes to Dhyan. Okay, fine. Dhyan will give me all this. I said yes to Dhyan. And when I said yes to Dhyan, and I did for what, 6 months before my examinations, and it gave me quite good results. Okay, I was one of the toppers in my school. So from being a nowhere student, I was a topper. Like, wow, chamatkar ho gaya. How did this happen? And my mother said, oh, you did meditation, remember? It did something, na? So this meditation actually trashed out everything that was not needed here. And I said I have to study means that there's only one thought, that yes, I want to study. And hence I was very clear-headed that what I need is what I have to do. And hence I said yes, okay, fine, and I will meditate just to get marks. That was my agenda that time. But I also realized something after that. When my class 9 got over and I went to class 10th, what happened was that I stopped doing meditation. I said, okay, done. My memory expanded, man. I'm sitting for 3 hours and studying. Everything is done. Everything is wow. But I forgot the fact that if you are not consistent with anything, it will definitely put you down. If you're not consistent with your practice, you won't be achieving what you want, because you don't have that practice skill set anymore. So 10th class I realized, no, I have to do this regularly. So and I did that regularly, and in 10th class, again, I saw a hike in marks. I'm like, there is something that is happening inside my mind, that whenever I'm doing meditation, this is happening, that I'm able to concentrate more, I'm able to focus more. And when I'm not meditating, it is not happening. Why is it so? And then I was like, okay, let's go deep into it. Let's study that. कि ये होता क्या है इसके अंदर. And there came the factor that I went into the science of meditation. That what exactly happens, man? Tell me that. So I used to claim that I'm a very scientific person. Whatever a science said or has written in books or has discovered in theories, I only believe that. Hence, I always used to say, whatever I'm seeing with my physical eyes exists, and whatever I'm not seeing with my physical eyes does not exist. Purely, I was going in that direction. And I used to say no to every other concept that came in front of me, and said that there is a mind, there is something called as self, there is something called as soul, there is something called as that inner self is there. So there was a big no-no. यार ये तो दिखता नहीं है. How will I know to it? How will I know about it? ये exist करता है क्या? Somebody show me in front of my eyes, then I'll experience it and then I'll say yes to it. But when I meditated, I got this feeling that there is something that is beyond mind, and there is something that is that's a feeling. It's a feeling that tells you that tells your mind that अरे ये करना चाहिए था तुमने ये नहीं किया. It's just that feeling I got when I did meditation. When I sat for 20 minutes observing my breath with myself and said, okay, what is happening? Tell me that. And then I came into an acceptance with myself that yes, it does exist. There is something that is beyond your mind, and there is something that is telling you what to do. And you can tell one that what you want to do. This played a major role when I was deciding my career. When I gave my NEET examinations in 2019, and I didn't do well in those. I did well to a certain level, but I didn't do well also. So I took a drop. So in a drop year, you have 24 hours a day. Everybody agrees. You don't have school, you don't have tuition, you don't have coaching if you choose to. And I chose that. Does everybody exist 24 hours a day? Correct. So in 24 hours, 24 घंटा तो तुम पढ़ने नहीं वाले. Correct. You are not studying for 24 hours. But what to do for another 24 hours? For another 24 hours, for another 12 hours that I had, apart from sleeping, I learned how to spend time with yourself, how to spend more and more time with yourself. And there's a very fun realization that I had that everything that came into my life, now I used to say no to it. Like if a friend is calling, I said no, I'm busy, I don't want to talk. Just to say that nahi, mujhe baat nahi karni. If my mother wants to share anything, I was like nahi, I don't have time, I don't want to talk to you. But I realized that मैं ना सिर्फ भाग रही हूँ. I'm just avoiding people who are around me, and I'm saying कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं बात करना. But ultimately what I'm doing is I'm just running out of situations and running out of meeting people and running away from stuff that is new to me. I'm running from any new experience that is coming to me. I'm not accepting what is coming to me. So by going out, by meeting Sensei, I met the Sensei group last year, and by meeting them, we went and did social experiments where we told every new people how to you should meditate. We went to colleges and told people and told students that why should one meditate. And there I had to interact with people, and there I realized that okay, meeting new things and experiencing new things and accepting and saying yes to new things is actually you are learning. I learned how to communicate properly. I learned how to speak properly. I learned how to express myself more properly. And I learned how to say your stuff without being judgmental about the other person. I learned it. Otherwise I used to be very straight, leaving the other person hurt, or I used to put stuff in myself also inside me and say it's all my fault and then cry. But I learned how to express dhire dhire by meeting new people and learning new things and saying yes, okay, fine, come, let's talk. I learned that, and that amount of patience and that amount of calmness while talking, it's all goes to again dhyan. When you're meditating, when I'm meditating, I'm just calm and calm. I'm getting more and more calmer and more open to more and more learnings. So the past 1 year has been crazy, man. I went from being an introvert person to an ambivert person, and now dhire dhire thoda social person also, who is willing to talk to 27 people in a virtual platform and telling them to switch on their videos. I am literally telling you guys to switch on your videos because I was there where everybody was saying, Pali, you don't talk. Why don't you talk? Express yourself, dude. Why don't you talk? And today I am telling ki, guys, let's talk. Let's see our faces. Let's smile. So that is the amount of shift that has happened, and it is crazy when I think now. So as Amulya said, we are some bunch of crazy youth meditators who are making other people crazy. But it is a good crazy.
For the next 40 days, choose a non-violent diet. Choose a plant-based diet. And I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart that आपकी thought processes will be much more clearer. You will be, I can't say what will change because it's at different levels. Because none of us have a right to have control over another life. That's the bottom line. You know what I mean? So please have a look at your choices. Do choose what is right for you, what's not right for you. Everyone's really smart people. No one does not know this. But please choose a non-violent diet, which also means no eggs.